Hello everyone! Today we're going to try and figure out what letters some sea animals start with. So we're going to use our eyes to see what animal it is. And we're going to use our ears to listen to the first sound. And we're going to use our mouth to make it. So if we have a whale, we're going to see the whale, we're going to listen to the word whale, and we're going to say it, and make a W in the sand. Are you ready to help me? Okay, let's go. Oh, I think I see somebody coming. What kind of creature is this? That's right, it's a crab. Crab. We need to make the k sound. So let's move to the sand. We need to make the k sound. K. This is the k sound for crab. Very nice. Now let's see who else is coming along. We'll just erase our k sound and look up. I don't see anybody yet. Oh, but wait. Oops, I think we scared him. What kind of fish is this? That's right, it's a puffer fish. Puffer. P. We need to make the p sound. Can you help me? P. This is the p sound for puffer fish. P. Can you make the p sound? For pufferfish. Let's see who else we can spot. Let's just erase this and look back up. Who else is here? Oh, I see an octopus. Octopus. We need to make the sound ah for octopus. Can you help me? I think you can too. Let's make the ah sound. Ah, ah. This is the ah sound. Can you make that sound? Ah, ah. For octopus. Octopus. Let's see what other friends we can find under the sea. Do you see anybody under the sea? Oh, I see him too. It's a turtle. Turtle. We need to make the sound of t for turtle. Let's look in the sand. Turtle. T, t. Can you make the t sound? T for turtle. I wonder what other friends we can find. Let's erase our t sound and look under the sea again. Who's coming now? Oh, I see. What are those? That's right, those are fish. Fish. We need to make the f sound. Let's look in the sand. ish, fish. This is the f sound for ish. Ish. We made the f sound. Can you make that sound? Now let's see who else we can find. I don't see anybody. Oh, who is that? We talked about him earlier. Yes, it's a whale. A whale. So we need to make the w sound. Let's look in the sand. It's a whale. So let's make the w sound. W. W. For whale. Whale. Can you make the w sound? W for whale. Who else do we see? Let's erase, and I think there's one more friend who wants to say hello. Oh, look. The snail is looking at the shell. I think the snail would like to live inside of it. Let's see if we can write the sound S for snail and shell. The S sound. Can you make the S sound? Our snail is finding a shell, and they both start with S. That was so much fun. I wouldn't have figured out all of those sounds without your help. Can you think of any other sea creatures that have different sounds? Let me know. I want to hear all of the new ones you think of. I'll see you next time.